Transferring money with Kiwibank is a straightforward process that can be completed online, in person, or over the phone. To get started, you will need to have a Kiwibank account and be registered for internet banking or have a Kiwibank phone banking password. First, log in to your Kiwibank internet banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments and Transfers section. From here, you can select the account you want to transfer money from, enter the recipient's account details, and specify the amount you want to transfer. If you are transferring money to another Kiwibank account, you will need the recipient's account number. If you are transferring money to an account at another bank, you will need the recipient's account number and the bank's SWIFT code. When entering the recipient's account details, make sure to double-check that the information is accurate to avoid any errors or delays. You can also save the recipient's details for future transfers, making it quicker and easier to transfer money in the future. In addition to online transfers, you can also transfer money in person at a Kiwibank branch or over the phone using Kiwibank's phone banking service. To transfer money over the phone, simply call Kiwibank's phone banking number and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. It is also important to be aware of the cutoff times for transferring money. If you transfer money before the cutoff time, the funds will be available in the recipient's account on the same day. If you transfer money after the cutoff time, the funds will be available in the recipient's account on the next business day. To ensure the security of your account, always keep your login details and account information confidential. Never share your login details or account information with anyone. And always log out of your internet banking session when you have finished. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily and securely transfer money with Kiwibank. If you have any questions or need help with the transfer process, you can contact Kiwibank's customer service team for assistance.